Hello my people, thank you guys once again for joining us. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depends on the zone you are watching me from.
Waited for, oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad.
Thank you once again for joining us. I'm so happy. It's Wednesday 6 p.m. again. You know, this is our day of new video alert. If you are first time to this channel, this is M&S Beauty Concept YouTube channel. In this channel, we share with our audience our daily beauty routine. We give lots of tutorials, makeup tutorials, product reviews, product unboxing, and lots of do-it-yourself beauty products. We give week tutorial at all. This is a total package channel. If you want to define the beauty in you, it's not all about women, men, father, mother, everybody is welcome to this family channel. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a try on the foundation I did the unboxing and review last week Wednesday. Like I promised that today I'm going to do the try on. This is the main reason my face is looking like this. You know, like I always said, your makeup addicted girl. So it's very rare to see me like this. So to apply a foundation, I can say this look is just a casual look, an office look. First thing you have to do, you have to brush out your eyebrow with your spoolie. You do out the eyebrow. When you want to apply your eyebrow, to set, when you don't have a powder brush, there's no problem about that. You can as well use the foam that comes with your powder. When you are using your brush, you take the powder, the setting powder, and you dab. So I think this is okay because we are making a very light makeup. So the next thing I'll be doing, what I always say, when you are buying a powder, make sure it's your neck color. Everything is blended. After applying like this, you can go back to your setting powder. It's not necessary that you have to use your brush. If you don't have a brush, you can use the foam, the sponge that comes with the powder. Because I have a combination skin, I'm for today. So if you like the look, you want to give it a try, it doesn't matter, you have to get Rude Double Trouble. So you always get a makeup that suits your skin type. That is very important. Oh my dear M&S family and lovers of YouTube all over the world, I can testify and prove that this make foundation is a perfect one. Check it. My neck and face is the same. I'm so impressed. So I love the look. Please guys, don't hesitate to share your opinion about this application on the comment section. Next video will be on how to know your skin type and the different type of skin type. This is very important so that we will not be wasting our money in getting wrong product. Once again, I want to say thank you all so much for your amazing and endless love. I remain your girl Mengi. Stay safe, stay protected, stay blessed. We'll see us again next Wednesday, 6 p.m. Central Europe time. Thank you and bye for now. I love you.